The best part of buying or renting any new home is walking through it for the first time, imagining yourself, your family in that space. A luxury you just don't get when your potential home is still a pile of dirt. But there's a new invention solving that problem.
Right now, a pile of sand, concrete and steel. It's real estate agent Dylan Malloy's job to sell the apartments that will soon occupy this Palm Beach site, and he has a secret weapon.
We got a beautiful VR tour that enables a buyer to see the whole apartment in its entirety, obviously before construction has started. Can you see the apartment now?
I'm in the apartment.
This is what I can see. Level 5 of Ophira, accurate to the millimetre, built by software engineers. I'm able to walk through the entire space, a virtual glimpse into the future.
This is the real view you're going to get from the apartment.
In fact, Dylan's avatar joins me in my apartment, sharing my vision and answering my questions.
This technology is such a great tool. It really helps us explain and bring these projects to life.